Hello friends and welcome back to the TechLiten channel. So friends, today I will talk about InWin F3 mid-tower PC case. So friend, InWin has announced the F3 mini tower which combine aesthetics and practically for mini ITX and micro ITX build, and the compact enclosure support the latest trend of motherboard featuring backside motherboard including ASUS BTF MSI Project Zero, ensuring the cleanest looking PC, and the front panel consistent of mesh window to enhance cooling directly to the internal component, and the app to utilize a minimalistic approach with the stunning SECC steel and tempered glass material, but also simplify assembly with the screw-free unobtrusive design, and choose between black and white color with wooden accents on the white edition, and motherboard with different backside connector placement will not be issued within the InWin F3 since multi-orientation bracket are available on the motherboard tray, and 4 PCI-Express slot are available for graphics card with extra large heatsink supporting up to 340 long, and the F3 is compatible with NVIDIA new SFF ready sizing guideline to make components compatibility easier for DIY PC builder, and the compact enclosure allows CPU heatsink up to 160 tall or radiator support up to 240 and 280 on the top for liquid cooling setup, and ATX power supply up to 160 long are installed behind the front panel as a space-saving design, and the front I/O panel including USB 3.2 generation 2 into 2 Type-C, two additional USB 3.2 generation 1 Type A port, and 3.5 audio jack. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.